Good morning, children. Class 10th, Part 2, Coordinate Geometry. Let us discuss some question based on formulas which we have done. That is distance formula, section formula, midpoint formula. Now number 1 is find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. In which a line divided by a point in the ratio 2:3, it means we have to follow section formula. So what we have written here, let P be the point which divides AB in the line segment AB in the ratio 2:3. Then we apply section formula, and that is coordinates of P are M x2 plus N x1 upon sum of the ratio, M y2 plus N y1 upon sum of the ratio. By simplifying it, we are getting 1 and it is 3. These are the coordinates of the point P which divide AB line segment in the ratio 2:3. Same process we will follow in the second one. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining 4, -1 and -2, -3. Here it is given to you trisection, means there are 2 points which dividing line segment AB into 3 equal parts. Coordinates of A and coordinates of B are given to you. Let us assume P and Q divides the line segment AB in the ratio 1:1:1 because all are equal. That's why we can write 1:1:1, in which coordinates of A are given and B are given. What is the meaning of it? It means P divides AB in the ratio 1:2. For finding the coordinates of P, we take ratio 1:2. By section formula, we can write same process. That is, you can see here, similarly, again, we are comparing the coordinates of y, and by comparing coordinates of y, solving it, we are getting again the value of k is 2/7, means ratio is 2:7. So in this way, we are finding the ratio of point which dividing a line segment in some ratio. Now let us discuss next question. Question is, find the ratio in which the line segment joining A, whose coordinates are 1, -5, and B, -4, 5, is divided by the line x-axis, and also find the coordinates of the point of division. Here, what to do? We have to draw the diagram. And what is the diagram here? You can see line segment AB is divided by a x-axis at some point in some ratio, that is k is to 1 we are assuming because the ratio is not given to us. And this point is lying on the x-axis. That's why coordinate of this point will be P0 x coordinate, but y coordinate on the x-axis is always 0. By section formula, we can find out the coordinates of C using AB. And by section formula, we are getting it. Let's compare again. We have coordinates of X and Y. X coordinate equal to X coordinate and Y coordinate equal to Y coordinate. But you can see here, we have to find out the value of K. We can't find out from here. Let's simplify this first. And by simplifying, we are getting the value of K. That is 1. Ratio is 1:1. And substitute the value of K here. We can find out the coordinates of P. That is coordinates of C, value of P is substituting here, we are getting -3/2, 0. Now next is, you can see the next question, that is, if 1, 2, 4y, x6 and 3, 5 are vertices of a parallelogram, then how to find out the value of x and y? Here I have drawn the figure here in which A coordinate, B coordinate, C coordinate and D coordinate given to you. But we know that by joining these diagonals, diagonal bisect each other. That's why O is midpoint of AC and BD. By using AC, we can find out the midpoint of AC, that is O coordinates. And similarly, by using BD, same process we can follow and find out the coordinates of O by using midpoint formula. By using midpoint formula, we are finding the coordinates of O using AC and BD. And let's compare x coordinate and y coordinate. By comparing, we are getting the value of x and y, and the question is completed up to here. Now, question number next. Find the coordinates of a point A, where AB is the diameter of the circle, and this is center, and other point is given to us. We know that center is midpoint of the diameter. That's why we have to follow the midpoint formula. Here we are assuming coordinates of A as x and y. By midpoint formula, we can write x plus 1/2 and y plus 4/2. By comparing, we are getting value of x and y means coordinates of A. In this way, we are using midpoint formula. Other questions we will discuss later. Thank you so much and revise them properly.